Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of the Crypto Forecast. Today we're going to be reviewing the state of the markets in crypto in general. But first, let's see what was my last update for Bitcoin BTC USD. I have here my last update. It was from the 3rd of April, so 3 days ago now. And let's see what I said here. I said daily candle closed at the target, so probably retrace or sideways from here. As I always say, if we manage to stay near resistance for some time, it may signal continuation. We'll see. So let's take a look at the current chart of Bitcoin BTC USD here. These are also the daily candles. So we've had already 1, 2, 3, at least 3 days going sideways. The price has actually managed to stay there near resistance. So this to me signals, so far it signals continuation. When I say continuation, I don't mean that this is going to break in the upside like today or in this second. This could go sideways for quite some time here before deciding if it's going to break in the upside or in the downside. Remember guys, it's very possible as well that we consolidate here and then we break down vertical, forming one of these Bart Simpson patterns, which happen in crypto all the time. So that's not impossible, but for right now, my bias is 60% will break in the upside eventually, and 40% we may break in the downside. That's my assessment for right now. So let's take a look at this state of the market from today, 6th of April. And that's exactly what I explained here. The prices have been able to hold this pump. This was a very significant pump. And for 3 days, we have been staying here near the target. So this usually signals continuation. But as I said here, the bias right now is 60% up, 40% down. But we won't know for sure until we actually see a clear break in a clear direction. So that's that for now, and I wanted to comment as well on market sentiment. I have been running these polls on Twitter. So I ran this poll, this was the 30th of March. So this was exactly 2 days before we had this crazy pump. The things were still going sideways. I mean, things were going up, but very, very slowly, nothing really happening. And I did this poll, are we in the beginning of a crypto bull market or suckers rally? And you can see here more than 60% sucker rally and 36% said bull market. I repeated this exact poll yesterday on my Twitter because I wanted to know if we would have more bulls now after the pump. But so far, you can see the poll here. We still have 8 hours left, but it's been running already for, the poll was for 24 hours. So yeah, we still have 8 hours left, but we already have double the votes that I had in the last poll. So, and we have the exact same result here. The previous time was 36 versus 64, and now it's 37 versus 63. So basically there's no change. In my view, I think way too many people are bearish. After such capitulation that we've seen in the crypto markets in general, not just in Bitcoin, I mean, even more in altcoins, after such drop and the way it happened, it was too vertical, too fast, and too aggressive. I'd say there's a good chance that was the last capitulation. I mean, that was very, very heavy. And since that happened, I have been paying attention a lot to market sentiment. I have been making videos talking about this many times and making Twitter posts and all that. For me, that's the most important clues that you can be paying attention now. So long as we have that many bears in the market calling for a bull trap, calling for a sucker rally, so long as we have majority bears and minority bulls, I'm gonna be a bull. I mean, anything can happen, right? Like nothing is impossible, but the way I personally read these markets now is we are in the disbelief phase of the market. People are burnt because of 1 year of bear market, and 85 or 90+% correction in many altcoins. People just don't believe that the bear market will end at some point, and after a bear market, we always have bull markets. So I think we are in that phase right now. I think the state of the market is accumulation, and we are, I think we've been out of the bear market since the beginning of the year. But we'll see. I guess we just have to wait and see. I will continue to update. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.